Hello everyone, today we are starting with question number 4 of exercise 11.5. Now A part, this is the first part of this question number 4. In A part says, complete the table and by inspection of the table, we will have to find the solution to the equation which is m plus 10 is equals to 16. So what we have to do here, value of m is given. Now here we know that this is the equation as left hand side and right hand side is there, and in both left hand side and right hand side we have equal sign in between. That means this is an equation. Now here m is the variable. Now value of the variable is given here. So what we have to do, we will have to put the value of m and then we will have to complete the table. Like here we will put 1, then 2, then 3. We have till 10 and then 3 more blank is given. Okay, so in this way we will have to, by putting the number, we will have to complete the table. Like here in the first one we have m is equals to 1. So here we are putting m is equals to 1. Now whenever we are putting m is equals to 1 in this place, so 1 plus 10, it will be 11. So we will write 11 here. Now when we are putting 2 in place of m, that time 2 plus 10, it will be 12. So we will write 12. Now m is equals to 3. So 3 plus 10. 3 plus 10 is 13. So we will write 13. Now here m is equals to 4. So 4 plus 10 is 14. So we will write 14 here. Now next we have 5. So again in place of m we will put 5 and 5 plus 10. Here 5 plus 10 is 15. So we will write 15 here. Then in place of m we will put 6. So when m is equals to 6, that time 6 plus 10, it will be 16. So we'll write 16 here. Now putting m is equals to 7. So when m is equals to 7, that time value will be 7 plus 10. Because here m plus 10 is given and here in this place I am putting 7. So 7 plus 10 is 17. So we will write 17 here. Now when m is equals to 8, that time 8 plus 10, it will be 18. So here we will write 18. Now when m is equals to, that time 9 plus 10, so which is 19. Now putting m is equals to 10. So 10 plus 10 will be 20. Now here 3 more blank is given. So since all serial numbers are there, all are counting number, it has been started from 1. So here after 10 we will write 11, 12 and then 13. Here we have got 20. So now putting m is equals to 11. So when m is equals to 11, so 11 plus 10. Now 11 plus 10 will be 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So it will be 21. So here we will write 21. Now when m is equals to 12, that time again here we are putting 12. So 12 plus 10, it will be 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So it will be 22. So here we will put 22. And then at the last we have 13. So we will put 13 in place of m. So it will be 13 plus 10. So 13 plus 10 will be 0 plus 3 is 3, 1 plus 1 is 2. So we will put 23. So this table I have completed. So what you have to do in the next part, we have completed the table. Now in the next part, what we have to do, we will have to find the solution to the equation m plus 10 is equals to 16. Now as you know that, like here, if after solving the left hand part, if it matches with the value on the right hand side, then we can say that it is the solution of the given equation. Now if you see the table where we are getting 16, see here, when the value of m is 6, that time we are getting 16, and this 16 is there on the right hand side. That means here 6 is the solution of the given equation. So this is A part. Now next, coming to the B part. Now B part says, complete the table and by inspection of the table find the solution to the equation 5t is equals to 35. Here equation is different but the sum is same like the previous one. Like here we will have to complete the table by putting this number in place of t. Now here 5t is given. Now 5t means 5 into t, and here in the first one we have t in place of t. We have 3 in place of t, so we will put 3 in this 5t. So 5 into t, that means 5 into 3 is 15. So here we will put 15. Now we will put t is equals to 4. So 5t will be 5 into 4, which is 20. So here we will put 20. Now next we have 5 in place of t. So 5t again. So 5 into 5 is 25. So here we will put 25. Now t is equals to 6. So 5t means 5 into t, which is 6 here. So 6 is 30. So here we will put 30. Now in the next we have t is equals to 7. So we will put 7 in place of t. So 5t again. So 5 into 7 is 35. So here we will put 35. Now 8. So here 5t. So 5 into 8, which is 40. So here we'll put 40. Now we will put 9. So t is equals to 9. So 5t is equals to 5 into 9, which is 45. So here we will put 45. Now next we have 10. So we will put 10 in place of t. So 5t will be 5 into 10, which is 50. So here we will put 50. Now 11. So t is equals to 11. So 5 into t is 5 into 11, which is 55. So here we will put 55. Now see, here all counting number is given. So after 11 it will be 12 here, since 5 blanks are given. So we will write 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we'll check how much we will get if you put 12, 13 and so on. So t is equals to 12 now. Again 5t, 5 into 12, which is 60. So here we will put 60. Now t is equals to 13. So 5t is equals to 5 into 13, which is 65. So here we will put 65. Now t is equals to 14. So 5t means 5 into 14. 70. Now 15. So we will put 15 here. T is equals to 15. So 5t is equals to 5 into 15, which is 75. So here we will put 75. And at the last we have 16. So we will put 16 here. So t is equals to 16. So 5t will be 5 into 16, which is 80. Now Now we have to find the solution to the equation this. Now see here, on the right hand side 35 is there. Now we will check from the table like which one if you put here to get 35. So if you see here, see when the value of t is 7, that time we are getting 35, and which matches the value on the right hand side. So the value of t will be 7. So here it will be this. Okay. So this was B part. Now next come to the next part.